One main risk CCC faces is the macroeconomic risk in the industry development, mostly regarding its investment and process of urbanization. And even in a rapidly growing economy, fluctuation cannot be eliminated. Another risk is diversification. CCC has kept expanding and diversifying its business, and to compete with foreign rivals, it needs to create separate business units and optimize its resources. And one way is domestic and acquisition. CCC is strategically important to the Chinese government, to international trade, and is one of the main participants of China's One Belt, One Road, which creates substantial opportunities for overseas growth for CCCC.
From results aspect, CCCC is going overseas for following reasons. As state-owned enterprise, its biggest competitive advantage is a relatively low cost base. The government provides sufficient funds to CCCC, which ensures that it can win the bid in overseas contracts. In addition, CCCC Highway Consultants Company, or formerly known as the Highway Planning and Design Institute of the Ministry of Transport, and now is wholly owned subsidiary of CCCC, and a leading engineering consulting firm in China, with strong technical capabilities and intensive influence in the field of mega bridge design and underwater tunnel design. Finally, the urge to expand abroad is driving CCCC's attempts ramped up its international business to compensate for softening domestic demand.
From institutional perspective, CCCC gets support from the corporation and the government and benefits from the Chinese favorable institutional environment. On April 2015, CCCC obtained $1.1 billion to merge the bridge syndicated loans, and it was financial support from the Bank of China, which is owned by state. In addition, the Chinese government has improved the tax credit policy to the income of the enterprise to encourage the overseas investment of the corporations.
From conducting the market, firm, and institutional analysis, we can see that CCC has been able to maintain robust growth within China. However, it is important for future economic growth that the current risks are identified. Currently, some of the risks are industry development and diversification. As we've heard, CCCC has worked and continues to work on notable projects within China. This is largely due to it being a state-owned enterprise. This will also achieve and assist in the expansion globally. It is important for future economic growth that the company does expand globally, as it will produce economic return and as well as increase the international business of the company.